Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to quickly create a new Microsoft To-Do task in Classic Outlook. Before we move forward with the tutorial, a quick question for you. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? You can get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, contact us via email or phone. Let's get back to our tutorial. When you're working in Classic Outlook and you need to create a task, you don't need to go to Microsoft To Do app. You can do that with a keyboard shortcut. Just press Shift plus Control plus K on your keyboard. A new Microsoft To Do task window will pop up. I will add the title of the task and will add a due date. You can also assign the task or add a reminder. I am good with the due date only. So now, left-click Save and Close button. Now let's go to Microsoft To Do, and you will see the task in your tasks list. So that's the quickest way to add a new Microsoft To Do task when you are in Classic Outlook. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. And if you are interested in the training I mentioned earlier, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.